Hello everybody, welcome to the spectacular world of cryptocurrencies with Crypto Halloween, our channel. Today we will talk about a new project, but before that, don't forget to put like, follow to this channel and also share this video with your friends, and let's go to the second part after this intro. Now, I know that you might be thinking this is just another project of cryptocurrency, but trust me, Solt is more than that. It's like a breath of fresh air in the world of decentralized finance cryptocurrency. So this is the Solana hero you've been waiting for. In a rapidly expanding digital universe where the Solana blockchain shines brighter than the stars in the sky, a new hero is born here. This is the Solt Dutch dog. So what makes Solt stand out? Well, let me break it down for you in a simple world where artificial intelligence and community collaboration come together to make cryptocurrencies farming not only efficient but also accessible and rewarding for all users. You can check this project in all these references: Biconomy, XC.com, Poloniex, Ascendex, BitGet, and more. So join this adventure. Every holder of Solt coin is just not an investitor, it's an explorer in this vast digital universe. With Solt by your side, you'll be part of a community that values speed, security, and above all, loyalty. So with Solt, we are talking about using the power of AI to optimize farming strategies, making smart decisions, and helping you get the most out of your investment. It's like having your very own digital advisor by your side. So what is the mission of Solt? So the mission is to make the universe of cryptocurrencies a more accessible, secure, and adventurous place for everyone. Whether you are a cryptocurrencies veteran or curious or just a curious one, newcomer, Solt is faithful, ready to guide you through this wonder of Solana, because Solt is building on the Solana blockchain. And as I said, Solt isn't just about fancy technology. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion of crypto and willing to learn and grow together. So, are you ready to become a hero here in the Solt community? You can join this adventure by first joining the Telegram of this project. This is it. And also, I will show you how to access through the airdrop. I will show you the link to be the first to benefit from that. Lightning speed, like the Solana Solt coin, promises transaction as fast as lightning. So because it's built in Solana, as I said, unbreakable security. This is a good security here in Solt. Solt's loyalty is not just a promise, it's a commitment to the security of your digital assets. And this adventure with Solt every day is an adventure. Explore new horizons, engage in exclusive missions, and discover rewards that only the crypto universe can offer. So welcome to the world of Solt. AI social farming. They said that Solt is just not a meme coin. It's a gateway to a new paradigm of decentralized finance, where artificial intelligence and community come together to create a more efficient, accessible, and rewarding cryptocurrencies farming ecosystem. Join Solt and become part of the revolution, where adventure in the world of cryptocurrencies is powered by AI and supported by a vibrant and collaborative community. So if you are looking for a project that not only innovates but also welcoming and inclusive, then Solt is definitely worth checking out. Let's go now to the bottom of this page and you can check how to buy Solt. So Dex Jupiter, this is it, and you can buy it from this page. I will introduce all these pages in the bio, so please check them. And you can join also the airdrop of Solt by this page. As you see, it's very easy. Don't forget to connect to Zelly and claim your rewards. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to also check the social medias of this project from Telegram and also X. Don't forget to put like, subscribe. Thank you for your trust and see you in the next videos.